Sawasdee krab. Welcome to my dish channel. I'm Jim, and today we will make one of the most famous dishes in Thailand. It's called Som Tum or Papaya Salad. Actually, it comes from the northeast part of Thailand, but it's very famous throughout the country. Let's check out what we need first. We start with the tomato. Cut it half, right? Take the bottom off, and you can quarter it. You can do it like this, 4 chunks, or you can do it in long way. But for me, I like to do it like a quarter. Like this. Okay. And then put into the bowl first. Next one is a snake bean or the long bean. You cut the top off, both sides, cut it in half, cut it in half again, make it 4 pieces. And then half again, make it 8 pieces. Like this, put into the bowl. Next one is the regular lamb. We will prepare it first. This is how Thai people we cut it, right? We cut it around the core. You see here? Around the core, right? And angle it around the core. And the last time, you see the core here? Angle the knife and then cut the core out. Like this, and then take all the seeds out. Yes. That's it. Next is the papaya. We use the green papaya or young papaya. You see here, right? And then you just cut it half. If you have the seeds, take the seeds out. We don't need the yellow or orange one. That's too ripe. It's sweet. This one is quite plain. Alright? When you get it right, cut the head and the bottom off like this. And then use the peeler. Peel all the green skin off. Yes. Gee, so nice for the peeler, right? People who invented this one, right, should be in heaven. Okay. Until no more green, the other half. And then you use cold water. You shred it in around 3 inches like this, while we use cold water to keep it crispy. Alright? Keep going like this. We need around 1 handful. Yes. When it's getting thin, just flip it. One handful. Should be okay. Normally on the street, they do it like this. You use a knife and I don't know what you call this one. Cut it like this. Beware of my fingers. right? And then you just slicing it. See? Yes, see? Like this. It will come out like this. For me, I prefer this. It's much better. See? That's why people who invented this one should go to heaven. This is how we make it. You need mortar and pestle. You start from garlic first. Just put it in, followed by chilies. I put only 2 because it's quite spicy. Alright? Be careful. Know your limit. And then you just crack it. Just crack it only, okay? Don't have to make it like too fine, too mushy. All right. You won't be able to see it, but I'll scoop it for you, like this. See, like this, it should be fine. All right. And then you put snake bean or long bean first, and then crack it again. Snake bean and long bean is quite hard. Just crack it. All right, break it. No, I can smell garlic and chili now. Gee, so yum. See, like this. Now, 3/4 spoon of fish sauce. Put it in. Tamarind paste, around half a tablespoon. Palm sugar, around 1 tablespoon. And lime juice, make it around 1 tablespoon again. Yes. But Thai people, we do it like this. Estimate it, and then we test it later. I put 2 parts first, like this. And then try to smash it to dissolve palm sugar. And then mix it well together. Oh, smells so yum. Yes. Until no more palm sugar inside. Okay, it will be like this, see? Very juicy like this, right? And then test it first a little bit. See how it goes. For me, sweet, sour, salty, and spicy comes after. And then you put tomato in. Now, papaya, 1 handful. Dump it in. And then scoop, smash, scoop, smash, scoop, and smash it like this. Scoop, do it like a rhythm, okay? Mix it well. Scoop, smash, scoop, smash. See? Yes. They call it papaya pok pok. Why? Listen to the sound. Pok 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 like this, right? And som tum. Som means sour. Tum means we smash it. Som tum, sour smash. Yes, yeah, should be okay. All right, let me clear out the table a little bit. And then you put it on the plate. Scoop everything. Including the sauce. Oh, look at this. You can mix with the carrot, right? To give you the color, but this is authentic style. We don't put carrot in. Yes. Pour the sauce in. And then peanuts. It's optional. If you don't like it or you can't have it, skip it. This is like a veggie salad, right? But sometimes, right, you will see they put raw crabs or raw shrimps in to add more flavor. But today, raw shrimps. I haven't had it for a long time. Yeah, make it pretty. Let's eat. If you don't like this, alright, skip it, or you can cook it first. Let's see how it goes. Okay, put the shrimps into the sauce to add more flavor. Oh, no. Just beware with the chilies, right? Oh, spicy. Oh my, so yum. One more. See, it's very easy to cook. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you. See you next time and wish you were here.